Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn area of polygons together, step by step. Area is the amount of flat space inside a shape, like how much carpet covers a floor. We measure it in square units. You can imagine filling the shape with little unit squares and counting them up. For a rectangle, area equals length times width. A parallelogram is similar. Area equals base times height. But careful, the height is the straight up and down distance, not the slanted side. A triangle is exactly half of a rectangle around it, so its area is 1/2 times base times height. Just like before, the height has to make a right angle with the base. That 1/2 is the key part. Let's try a triangle with base 8 and height 5. Area is 1/2 times 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40, and half of 40 is 20. So the area is 20 square units. So rectangles use length times width, parallelograms use base times height, and triangles use 1/2 base times height. For a complicated polygon, just break it into these simple shapes and add the areas. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.